Alright, let's start. Okay, so I will start with this. Okay, this profile. Okay, so I will start with maybe front plane. Okay, front plane, and then we can uh, sketch. Okay. Okay, so just make a line. Okay, line, center line. Okay, as you can see here, we got inline operation. Okay, in sketch tab. Okay, line, we got two lines. Okay, slant line and center line. Okay, so for center line, this one is some sort like a construction line. Okay, as you can see here, whenever I click center line, okay, I see center line, and then here actually it show for construction. Okay, for construction. So that means this not gonna be your object line. Okay, it's just for reference. Okay, so what I can do here is just make these lines. Okay, okay, and then okay. Let's start again, center line. Okay. Okay. And then we got the actually this one is the sphere. Okay, the sphere. Okay, the sphere, and then just make a center from here to here. Okay. All right. So the diameter. Okay, as you can see here, the diameter is 55. Okay, 55. So we just make it, because of this one is in radius, so 55 need to be divided by 2. Okay, so in SolidWorks actually you can do this. Okay, you can put mathematic formula. Okay, so SolidWorks will calculate for you. Okay, so here we got our semicircle. Okay, and then yeah, we got the gap here. Okay, 7 mm. So for me this one, okay, I can maybe use lines. Okay, or maybe I can simply offset. Okay, offset. Okay, maybe lines, maybe you already get used to it. Okay, you know how to make lines. However, I want to show you about how to make offset, how to use offset. Okay, offset, as you can see here, the icon itself already explained about this thing. Okay, that's a good thing about SolidWorks. Okay, and then as you can see, you got a double line. Okay, that double line, that means every single part. Okay, every single maybe entity inside SolidWorks, you can simply assign set in order to multiply the parts. Okay, according to certain distance that you want to use. Okay, so yeah, actually I want to call it offset this one. Okay, I want to offset this one. Then just click offset. Okay, as you can see here, you got certain distance. Okay, 10 mm, but our distance is just 7. And then it's not on this direction, however, to the to yeah, on top of this line, right? So just click reverse. Okay, this one is the preview of the line that you want to offset. Okay, and then you just click reverse. Okay, and then this is your new line. Okay, then just click OK. Right, so this is your line. Okay, so here, because of I want to make just this one. Okay, and then I can simply remove the unnecessary lines. Okay, so in order to remove lines, I need to use trim. Okay, trim actually is to remove. Okay, the unnecessary lines. So just click trim. Okay, trim. And then here we got several options here. Trim to closest. Usually I will just use this one. Okay, where I just simply click. Okay, everything that I don't want. I will also, you can use power trim. Where power trim you need to make a root. Okay, just click, hold your click, and then make this kind of lines. Okay, and then yeah, just make it this one. And then yeah, this one. Okay, and then also this one. Right. So here we have this curve. Already we have this curve. Okay. Then this one just delete. Oh yeah, sorry. Okay, delete. Okay. So this is the root, okay, the root for this one. Then now I can start to make my profile. So this is my profile, okay. This is my profile. Okay, so whenever I click, okay, this isometric, okay. So this profile, the profile, this one actually need to sketch on this line, okay, on at this line, right? So okay, as we know that Solidworks sketching will always taking into consideration about the plane, okay, the plane. You need to sketch on top of a plane, okay. So because of we know that the best plane to make this sketch, okay, actually is on the top plane, okay, on the top plane. However, we don't want to make the sketch on top of this. However, we want to make it at this, okay, at this point. So, in order for you to make this plane on at this area, okay, at this point, actually you can create new plane, okay, create new plane that for, actually at this point, okay. So, yeah. What you can do is just switch to features, okay. Before that, actually you need to exit sketch, okay. Please pay attention, okay, about this icon, this icon, okay. Just click exit, okay. That means you finish your we call it this sketch. Then switch to features tab, okay, and then this one, reference geometry. Reference geometry. Whenever you click this one, you can make a new plane, okay. This plane, okay. Just click plane. Okay, and then the first reference, okay, the first reference can be your top plane, okay, can be your top plane, okay, and then because of we know that the new plane that we want to sketch on it is actually the distance is 7 mm from this plane, okay, from this line is 7 mm, so here you just put 7, okay, so yeah, this is this correct position, and then just click okay. Okay, so now you got new plane that exactly on this point, okay, on this point. So from here we can start to make our sketch. Alright, so for a sketch, so the better view for you to make your sketch is perpendicular to this top. So just hit your spacebar and then click this one, okay. This one means perpendicular, okay, perpendicular to this one. Right, so here we can start with a line. Okay, so make a line. Yeah, my computer is not good. Okay, actually it's not a line. Actually it's supposed to, because of we know that, okay, we know that our part, okay, here this profile actually got radius, right? Okay, this one got radius, right? This one, the radius actually the same with this one, okay, with this 55 divided by 2. So I need to make this line, okay, this circle, okay, just click 1 and 2. Okay, okay, so this cannot, okay, just make this one. And then the radius is 55 divided by 2, okay. Okay. Oh yeah, actually I no, it's 55, okay. However, we need to measure, okay, measure for this one. Okay. Right, so this is the circle, okay, and then just click OK. So what I did just now is, okay, I know that before this I thought it's supposed to be 55 divided by 2. However, I forgot actually. But we already offset this one, okay, we already offset. So the diameter it's not 55 anymore. Okay, so here I can just click center. Here I mean circle, and then click the center, and then click this. Okay, this point. Okay, and then just click OK. So as you can see here, this is the what you call it, this the profile, okay, for my for this, okay, for this. All right, so let's back to the perpendicular view. Okay, as I told you, I will not what you call it, draw or model everything, because I will just simply use mirror technique. Okay, so what I need to do is just make a line like this. Okay, make a line. Okay, just random lines. Okay, so make sure this one is yeah, actually this one is what you call it, the uh, relation. Okay, the relation, so make it horizontal. Okay, make it horizontal because we want to keep this one horizontal. Maybe you just make a random lines, okay, like this, okay, and then actually you want to make this one actually horizontal. Okay, horizontal, so we just click this one and then make horizontal, and then the lines will automatically change to horizontal. Okay, so this is the things that uh, actually what we call as the sketch relation. Okay, this one I don't need this. It's delete. Okay, okay, then I can start to make dimension. Okay, sorry. Okay. Okay, the distance is supposed to be because I want to use mirror. Okay, as you can see here, the distance 15. So just 15 divided by 2. Okay. Okay, so 7.5. Okay, so I got the distance from the center to here, 7.5. Okay. Okay, so here, oh yeah, I supposed to assign the dimension, okay, for this one. Actually, it's 6 mm, okay, 6 mm. This one, which is 6 mm, okay. 6 mm, so make okay, just click okay, there's line from here to here, okay. And then make sure this one is vertical, okay, and then make the dimension. This one to here is dimension. Okay. It's okay. How about if I make a line at the line here and then here, and then start dimension. Okay, the dimension is supposed to be 6. Okay, 6. And then yeah, the thickness is 2. Okay, so I just make another line from this one to this one. Okay. The dimension is 2. Okay, and then yeah, this for this one, I guess I will just offset. Okay, offset about so 2. Okay. So offset, I want to make this profile. Okay, this one, So here from this surface to here is 2 mm. Okay, so just hit 2 and then click the circle, make it reverse. Alright, so this is the profile that I want to make. Okay, and then we can start to trim. Okay, trim, then just use power trim and then just hit. Okay, sorry. I supposed to have a line here connected from this one to this one. Okay, and then click trim. Okay, remove everything. Okay, okay, right. Nice. Okay. So this is the profile. Okay. I only make half. Okay, half of it because of I will mirror it. Okay, and then I need to use fillet. Okay, fillet maybe just two on this part. Okay, click. Okay. So as you can see here, this is the profile. The profile. Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay. Just click OK. Then yes, we already finished our profile, and now I want to use sweep operation. Okay, sweep, because I want to make this profile along this route. Okay, this route. So here I just click sweep. Okay, and then here, whenever you click sweep, here usually as you can see here, profile and path. Okay, this is the profile that I want to sweep, and then the path is this one. Okay, so just click this path and then make this one. So as you can see here, the Solidworks already follow the path, okay, that I want to make. Then just click OK. Right. So this is it. Okay, for plane, you can simply hide. Okay, hide. So this is the parts. Okay. I will not mirror it now. Okay, I will complete everything. Okay, everything, and then I will mirror after I finish. Okay. So return to ISO. Okay, and then maybe from the front view. Right. So up to now, clear. Okay, clear, right? How to make this kind of parts. Okay, how to use from sketch, and then how to use the sweep. Okay, the sweep operation. Okay, everything that maybe involve this kind of uh, figure or maybe form, actually you can use this technique. Okay? Right, so the next is I will make this part. Okay, this clamp part, right? So let make it on this top. Okay, so front plane. Okay, front plane. Okay, make a sketch. Start sketch, just sketch. Okay, on top of this plane. So okay, section line. Where's the origin? Okay, this is the origin. Yeah, try to find the origin. Okay, so this is my center line. Okay, the reference for me to make these parts. Okay, and then here I have 12 mm. Okay, 12 mm. From the, and then step a line. Okay, step a line, and then maybe this one is 10 and 2. Okay, so just offset 2 mm from this one. Okay, and then offset again this one 10. Okay, okay. So yeah, this change to construction. Okay, so I have this 1K for this. Okay, you see that. Yeah, for this one, okay, 12 mm. I offset just one 2 mm and 10 mm. Actually, this one is just a rough estimation. Okay, it's not exactly because I don't want to spend time to make the measurement. Okay, okay, maybe is it correct? Yeah, it's okay. And then it's 12, right? Here we have 12 mm. I mean 8 mm. Okay, 8 mm. So just make a line. Okay, from here to here. Okay, and then another line from here to here. Okay, so assign the dimension from this point to this point. Supposed to be 4. Okay, same goes to this one. This point to this point is 4. Okay, Right, so it's 4 and 4. So here, okay, so as you can see here, our part actually, this one is I want to make a square. Okay, I'll make a square for this one, and then as you can see here, my line right here, okay, right now is only up to here. Okay, so the technique that I can use in order to make this line to connect up to this line actually extend. Okay, extend. So where can you got that operation is here, okay, under this trim, okay. Just remember, trim is to cut. However, if you want to add the lines, okay, the existing line is extend, okay, extend. So it will fall at the same icon here. However, you need to click this drop down menu and then click extend, okay, extend, okay. Remember, trim for remove and extend to add, okay, based on existing line. Okay, so just click and then the line will extend, then click extend. Okay, so I want to remove the other lines, so just use power trim and then yeah, let's go for it. Okay, and then yeah. Alright, so here as you can see this part okay, because of this one is 8, okay, because of this one is 8, this one supposed to be 4, right? 4 because of it is center. This is center. Yeah, it's supposed to be at this point. Okay, it's okay. Just make another line. Okay, from this point, horizontal, only up to this point. Okay. So yeah, actually I want to make the this one, okay, this point as the center point for my circle right here. So I want to move, okay, this one gonna be the center of my circle. Okay, so what I can do is I need to mark, okay, this is the point that I want. So the 3D model that we did just now, you can simply hide, okay, hide because of it actually block my view. Okay, just click hide. So you can see here, whenever you click hide, and then it will hide your 3D parts. Okay, so I want to make sure that this one is gonna be the center of my lines. So here is let's remove this one. Okay, need to remove. Okay, the reason why I remove here actually because of whenever you put the we call it the dimension. Okay, this dimension, 2 dimension. Okay, this dimension. Okay, that means this gonna be your the relation or maybe the constraint. Okay, the constraint. So okay, whenever I try to make this one I want to adjust. Okay, adjust this one. I'm afraid that it will be try to not allow me to adjust. Okay, adjust this uh, lines. Okay, this coordinate. As you can see here, this one just 3. Okay, and then what if I sign for? I'm not sure. Okay, I'm not sure about this. Maybe it's allowed or not. Okay, actually it's not allowed that. Okay, it's not allowed that. It's not allowed. The reason because of we got this, okay, dimension to and this dimension that constraint to this line, okay, to this line. So in order for me to move, okay, this whole rectangle and then make sure that this what you call it this can need to be 4, okay, because I want to make a circle with radius of 4. Okay, this to be 4. Okay, so I need to remove the dimension. Okay, this dimension need to delete and delete. Okay, that means I remove the constraint. Okay, remove the constraint, and then here I can maybe can try to change to 4. Okay, now we can change it because of I already remove, okay, the dimension that assigned to it just now. Okay, so this is the thing that you need to pay attention, okay, about the constraint, okay, the design constraint. That means whenever you put a dimension, then that means it will be a constraint for that particular element. Okay, Okay, so here is my sketch, and then just let's back to perpendicular view. Then now I can start to make my circle. Okay, and then trim the unnecessary lines. Okay, for this one we just to use this one. Just click OK. Okay, that one really the warning because of I got dimension, and then yeah, and then okay. So here this is the parts. Okay, so this part. Okay. Okay, so right. So let's get back to the question. Okay, here is the parts. Okay. Okay. Now this is the situation. Okay, this is the situation. Okay, I want to make these parts. Okay, these parts supposed to be on this pipe, on these lines, right? It's supposed to be on this line. I mean the surface. However, I mistakenly make this drawing on different on actually on the wrong plane. Okay, right now I'm use right plane. Okay. However, if I want to make the features, okay, the extrude supposed to be at this part, okay, at this point. However, it's I mistakenly made this one at this plane, okay. So in order for you to uh, move this sketch from this plane, from this front plane to this plane, okay, to this plane to this surface. Actually, you can use this technique, okay. Just click this one. Okay, and then need to exit the sketch. Okay, click this one. Make sure, okay, make sure you already escape. Okay, with not in sketching mode. Just click this one and then sketch. Okay, click sketch. So you've got a sketch, okay, on the sketching mode. So in order for you to copy this one, actually you can just please copy and paste. Okay, just Control C for this one and Control V at the sketch. Okay, so here maybe like Control C and then Control V. Okay, so here actually whenever you put a Control C and Control V, uh, this the copied what you call it sketch will appear. Okay, so but you want to move this to here. Okay, to this part. Okay, so what you can do, just select this one. No, maybe just select this one and this one, then make coincide. Okay, whenever you put the make coincide, it will coincide means uh you put this relation. Okay, that point. Okay, to that. Okay, I want to make this point at this point, right? So just click coincide. Okay, okay, click this one, click this point, and hold control. Okay, click this one, and then click coincide. Okay, it will move. Okay, so for this one, maybe it's not really necessary, just delete. Okay, so now you already have this sketch, okay, at this the correct surface. Okay, the correct surface. So I can start to extrude. Okay, this one. This is the correct surface. So extrude. Yeah, extrude. Okay, so here I want to maybe emphasize. Okay, I'll explain about this one. Okay, about the features here. As you can see here, we got a group. Okay, this one, the group to make. Okay, to make a solid entity. Okay, this one is to make, and then for this one to remove. Okay, extrude cut. As you can see here, the cut in order to cut and then revolve. Okay, this one is the features to remove. However, the operation pretty much the same. Okay, only this one to remove and then this one to make. Okay, and then for this one, it's more or less about the edit. Okay, how to edit, or maybe edit just to edit the parts. Okay, okay, now I just to use because I want to make this profile. Okay, make this profile, and then just I want to extrude. Okay, extrude. So here assign 2 mm. Okay, because of the thickness is 2 mm. Oh, sorry, it's not 2, guys. It's supposed to be, what is it? As you can see, I got more than 2. Okay, so yes, it's supposed to be maybe 3.5. Okay, let's make it 4. Okay, 4. Let's make it 4 and sign reverse. Okay, if the preview for your solid is on the wrong way, okay, wrong way. So what you can do is just click this one, okay, blind. I mean reverse direction, okay. So this is the correct dimension, okay, correct dimension. I mean the correct position to do the extrusion, okay. And then let's click OK. Okay. So for this sketch, maybe you can just hide because it's not gonna be used it, right? So yeah, this is the our parts, okay. Okay, so yeah, actually we have these rib features, okay, rib features. So you can use that, okay. Okay, so let's me try to use rib features, okay, because as you can see here, this we got this kind of profile. So make it on the front plane, sketch that line from this point, maybe roughly to this point, okay. Okay, no, it's not that point, okay. Let's click in this space and then click sketch, okay. Okay, okay, this one, click sketch. Okay, and then make a line from this point to this point. Yeah, I guess roughly. Okay, and make a line from this one to maybe, yeah, this line. Okay, then make another line from this one and from this line to this line. Okay, so yeah, here actually we want to make this one as perpendicular. Okay, so what you can do is just click this one and this line and then make perpendicular. Okay, so it will change to perpendicular. Okay, and then click OK, then trim the unnecessary lines. Alright, so from this sketch, maybe we can just use normal extrude. So just 2 mm on flip direction. Okay, and then hit OK. Right. So yeah, that's is our part. Okay. Okay, so I want to make a hole, okay, a hole here, a hole that exactly use the same profile of this part, okay, of this part, the same profile. So actually the profile here, actually I use this sketch, right? This sketch, okay. So just make it appear again, just unhide it, okay, here. So this is the some of the technique, okay, that you can use, okay, in order to copy a profile, okay. So just now what I did is I select this one, okay. I mean, select this sketch, and then I Control C, and then I Control V, okay. Control C mean copy, and then Control V mean paste. It's the same keyboard mean shortcut, okay, in Microsoft Words or something like that, okay. However, for now, I will show you how to copy this one by using different technique, okay. So I want to copy this profile, okay, on top of this surface, okay, exactly the same. I mean, it need to be at this surface, okay. What I can do is just click this one and then click sketch, okay, click sketch, and then here I select this profile, okay, select this profile, and then I click this one, convert entities, okay, convert entities to the sketch plane that I'm doing right now, okay. So just convert entities. So as you can see here, this is the entities, okay, for this part, okay, for this part from this sketch to this new plane, okay. Okay, right, so it looks like yeah, it's okay. It's like it's not aligned well, okay, because of maybe just now I did this profile, okay. based on this point. Okay, and then unfortunately this point actually is not at the same what you call it, at the same line. Okay, it's not horizontal. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Okay. No, it's not okay. It's not okay because of, yeah, later I will have problem. Okay, I will have problem with during the assembly. Okay, because of the profile is already changed. Okay, so you can see a little bit offset here. That means this part actually is wrong. Okay, it's wrong coordinate. Okay, so if I got this part, okay, so just exit sketch, and then what I need to do is remove the things that I did, just delete. Okay, let's do all. Okay, and then the sketch 4 here also need to delete. Yes. Okay. Okay, I need to repeat this one, and then based on this one, okay, as I show you just now, I did this sketch, okay, by using this what you call it, this one, I mean this cover entities, right? So yeah, so you got two technique in order to copy the same profile, okay. First is copy and paste, and then the second technique is this one, okay, this copy cover entities, okay. So
Doctor,
yes.
how is it your plane when you copy and paste and when you align the center back the thing when and then after once you're done doing all the 3D features, then when
Mm-hmm.
you use the features in the sketch part, and then why is it
Mm-hmm.
not matching? How can the plane is not aligned?
Yeah, because of this, as you can see here, this one is a little bit slanting, okay. Whenever maybe we can see on this side, okay.
Oh,
Yeah, actually it's a little bit slanting. It's not perfect. You see, this one. It's supposed to be fall like this straight line. However, because of this one, we got a profile of this curve. Okay, this profile is a little bit curved, so it's not really straight. So that's the reason why before this I copy and paste, and then I make a constraint to this point. Actually, this one is a little bit it's away from the location. Okay, it's supposed to be on this lines. Okay, so this is the thing that you need to take care. Okay,
so
because
it's best advised not to copy paste. We have to use the features in the sketch mode. Is it?
depend on the plane that you want to use. Okay, if it's not really, I mean, it's not what you call it, it's not really important, then it's okay. However, for this case, it's my part. This point is quite important. Okay, this point, because this gonna be actually I draw this one from the origin. Okay, from the origin, because of this is the, I mean, the origin lines. Okay, from the origin lines. I mean, what you call it, perpendicular. Okay, I mean this one is a horizontal, a vertical line, right? Vertical line for this curve. Okay, for the radius that I assign this profile actually from this origin. Okay, that fall here. However, if it switch, I mean it shift a little bit actually, and then the center will be wrong. Okay, wrong center. So it will make my model a little bit what you call it, wrong again, cannot be properly assembled. Okay, so actually really depends on your assembly, and then you need to consider, okay, about that. Okay, never mind. I will just repeat this thing and then just let extrude. Okay, and then this one is 4 with the flip direction. Okay, and then again I will make this line. Okay, from this space, from this surface, make a sketch lines from this point to this point. Okay, right, and then oh yeah, need to make it. Okay. and this one is perpendicular, right? Then can trim. Okay, so this sketch just extrude 2 mm. Okay, on flip direction. Okay, and then hit OK. Alright, now, okay, now, yeah, we got the right profile. Okay, so let me do the, we call it the hole. Okay, the hole, I want to use the same profile. Okay, to make this hole. Okay, so just click this one, sketch. Okay, and then select this sketch tree, and then yeah, convert entities. Now we got this the good profile. Okay, here. So for this sketch, okay, I will offset. Okay, offset because I want to make hole. Okay, hole here. So just click offset. Okay, maybe 2 mm for this part. Okay, so whenever I click these lines, okay, this sketch, and then it's try to make an offset, okay, profile outside of this part. Actually, however, because of we want to make a hole inside here, and then I will make it reverse. So yeah, let's just press OK, right? Yeah, maybe it's not 2. Okay. Maybe the offset is just one. Okay. Reverse. Okay. Right. So yeah. Right. So this here actually you can for this sweep you can just hide first. Okay, because we want to focus on this profile. Okay, this profile. So okay. Okay, looking at this one, actually it's the hole actually is not quite symmetry, right? It's not quite symmetry. So you see, okay, actually this one is a little bit thicker compared to at this part. Okay, this part is a little bit thicker. Okay, so what I can do is I need to move this one to here. Okay, so just make a line like this. Okay, and then put a dimension, maybe just one. Okay, 1.5 maybe. Okay, nice. And then trim. Okay, power trim. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Just trim everything. Okay. And then yeah, that's it. And then for this one, you can just simply delete because we're not gonna use it. Okay. So yeah, this is the profile. Okay, the profile to make the hole. And for this sweep, I just make it appear again. Okay, from this part, just okay. Now, because of we want to make a hole, okay, a hole. So we will use extrude cut. Okay, the same operation with extrude here was base. However, for this one we want to make, and then for this one we want to remove. Okay, and then just go click extrude. Okay, and then here, yeah. Actually, as you can see here, if I want to proceed, okay, this extrusion, okay, it will I supposed to make it to all, okay, to all everything. However, for this part actually it will be yeah, it's okay. Just proceed first, okay. Later we will fix that, okay. Alright, now I already finished half of that part, okay, half of that part. So now I can just simply mirror, okay. This one you just hide first. Okay, mirror, okay. This one is half of the profile that I want to make, okay. And then what I can do is just this sweep, okay, this sweep operation. Okay, on the features tab, okay, features tab, you got this mirror, okay, mirror image, okay. Because of this one is a symmetrical, so you can use mirror. So here is the selection of your mirror plane, the location of your mirror, okay, the location of your mirror. So because of this one, I construct this on top of the front plane, right? So I can use this front plane to make the mirror image for that, okay? So here the selection also need to include this one, and this one, right? Okay, and okay, right? So yeah, this is our complete part, okay? This is our complete part, which already form the mirror image, okay? And see here, just now what I did is, okay, I will repeat it for you, okay? Just click mirror, okay? Click mirror, and then the first thing that you need to do is locate the position, okay, for your mirror, okay, because of this need to be symmetrical, so the mirror need to be at this part, okay. Actually, you can just simply click this one, okay, for your mirror, okay. Okay, that maybe that one is maybe useful. Okay, and then here is really features of mirror. So what you want to mirror, okay. So just click this one, swipe, sweep, then all of the things, okay, including this one, okay. Yes, and then this, as you can see here, this is the location of the mirror position, and then this one is the things that you want to mirror, okay. Usually we will stick to features to mirror, okay. However, this one is faces, and then this one is bodies, okay. Faces and body actually some sort like different entity in Solidworks. Okay, however, yeah, later I will explain, okay, about this one, what is different between faces and bodies. Okay, however, we just stick to mirror features. Okay, features will include almost everything. Okay, in Solidworks. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That is how we make this part. Okay, all right. As you can see here, from the front view, okay, from the this view, actually at this part, okay, this part. Yes, okay. Okay. At this part, actually, we got this profile, right? This curve here. Okay, so we need to make the cutting profile, okay, to cut this one, and then it will follow the shape, okay, for this part. Okay, so yeah, let's maybe from the top plane, and then the top plane, okay, the top plane make a sketch, okay, make a sketch.
Doctor, you have to minimize your drawing.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
right. So from the top plane, we will going to cut this, right? We want to cut this one. So on the top plane, enter the sketch mode, and then we can start to make this. We call it this one lines. Okay, this one line. Make it like this, and then like this. Then yeah, it's okay. Just make it like this, and then close. Okay. So this is the profile for our cutting activity. Okay. Okay, and then this one we need to fillet a little bit. So just assign fillet, maybe 2 mm, is it enough? Oh yeah, 2 mm is good. And then click OK. Okay, so here. So actually we already finished our cutting profile. Okay, we want to cut through this one. So this is the cutting profile. So just click sketch, then switch to features, extrude cut. And then reverse direction, and then to all. Okay, it will cut through your part. Okay. This is how we make a profile to cut the parts, okay, and then click yes. Okay, now we finish our parts. Okay, we finish our parts. So the other thing that you need to do is maybe just to make the finishing. Maybe we can assign, we call it, this one is the fillet. So fillet, make sure that this one is on our, this one is not sketching, right? This one is on 3D mode. So make sure that you click this fillet on the features tab, okay, not on the sketch tab. Sketch tab will not appear because of you not in sketching mode. Currently we are on solid model, okay. So just make sure that you click this fillet, okay, on features tab. Then maybe this one is just 2 mm. Let's click this. And then no preview, full preview. Okay. So this is gonna be okay. And yes, okay. Right. And then yeah, same goes to this part. And this part. Okay. Okay. Nice, right? Right, nice. So yeah, you don't forget to save. Okay, part one. Okay, just save part one. Okay, maybe you need to make a folder. Okay, to maybe put all of your parts inside that. Okay. Oh yeah. So we need to make this fillet here. Okay, and here. Maybe this one is 2.5. 3. Right, nice, right? Okay. Oh yeah, actually we supposed to have a clamp, the part that can be need to be clamped. Okay, what you call it? This the part is some sort like this. Okay, in my sketching. Right, this is my sketching. Okay, we have this part, right? Actually, this one is from maybe this 3D view. Okay, it's look like this. For this one. Okay, and then it got this some sort like a cylinder. Okay, like a cylinder, small cylinder. Actually, this one is the part that can be clamped. Okay, okay, we got double. Okay, because of we got this one and two. Okay, and then yeah, the other part is right here. Okay, okay, and then this one can be we call it snap fit. Okay, it can be will be snap fit inside this shaft. Okay, shaft. Okay, this shaft. Actually, we got this. We call this cylinder. Okay, so we need to make this one. Okay, so in order for you to make that, maybe we can start to maybe we can just start at this surface. Okay, this surface. Okay, this surface, and then click here into sketch mode. So here, we can copy the same profile. Okay, on this sketch. Okay, and you can just simply click this surface. Okay, now we can use convert entities again. Okay, convert entities. So it will make a sketching. Okay, sketching line for the surface, and then here we just select.
Sorry, doctor. Your again
Yeah.
your
Alright. So sorry. I'm sorry for that. Okay. Sorry. Let me repeat. Okay. Right. Now I want to make this features. Okay, this part. So I want to make it right here. Okay, I cannot make on this surface because of actually it's on from the half. Okay, it's half of this uh thickness. So I will make it right here. Okay, and then I enter sketching mode. The sketching mode. Okay, I'm at the sketching mode right now. So I click this mirror again. Okay, because I want to copy. Okay, this profile. I just click this one and then convert to entities. So it will appear as a sketch. Okay, it's a sketch on this sketching plane. Okay, and then for this bodies, we can just hide. Okay, and then we are this sketch. Okay, so we need to move. Remove this one. Okay, and then yeah, because of we want to connect right this line to this line. Okay, to in order for you to do that, maybe you can just make imaginary lines. Okay, just make line like that, and then maybe click extend. Okay, extend this one and extend this one, right? And this one you can just delete. Okay, and then trim these lines, okay, and this line. Trim one. Yeah, never mind, just make a new line, okay. Right, now we have this profile. Okay, I want to offset because I want to make it smaller, okay, smaller. So just offset maybe 1 mm. For this one, reverse. Okay, now we have this small. However, we need to make this one to here, okay. We need to make this, okay, up to this line, okay. So just extend this line, okay, and this line and this line. This one you can remove. Okay, so when you trim, just trim. Okay, let's see. Yeah, okay. This is our profile. So let's get back to the isometric view, and then this one is make it appear again. Oh, sorry. Actually, I mistakenly what call it, select the wrong profile. Okay. Here. Okay. So the thing that we want to make. So set again. Okay. Offset. Reverse. Okay. Click this one. Then extend. Right, and then trim. The matter actually sometimes it's not work as you want. So just move on. Okay. Sure. Okay. So maybe this is the thing that we want. Not really, right? So from here you need to make a line. Okay, from this to this line, and then this one need to hide again. Then extend. Right, and then trim. Right. So yeah, this is the profile that we want. Okay. So it's correct, and then you need to extrude. You just extrude. Okay. Reverse. Okay. And then hit OK. Yeah, nice. Okay, this is the thing that we want. So it's okay. We will complete this part on this side again, and then we will just mirror. Okay. So here, into sketch again. We want to make this cylinder. Okay. This is another technique. Okay. Whenever you want to make a cylinder, okay, make a circle. Okay, based on the same center. Okay. So you just move your cursor. Okay, around this what you call it, this one circle. Okay, this circle, and then until the center point is appear, and then you just click the center point, and then make the new line with new define radius. Okay, one. Click OK, and then extrude. So this one just 1 mm. Okay, and then hit OK. So yeah, we complete our parts. Okay, because of we know that this one is supposed to be snap fit parts. Okay, snap fit part. You need to avoid sharp edges. Okay, so we will fillet this one. So just hit fillet, and then assign this one, and then this one may be 0.5. Okay, and then you will show the preview of your fillet, and then just hit OK. So you got a nice we call it profile. Okay, so now we will mirror, okay, these parts to here. So just what you need to do is here use mirror the plane. Okay, the plane maybe because of we know that this one is at the front plane. That's front plane, and then features to mirror is just click this one, this one, this one. Okay, and then hit OK. All right, so that's it. This is our part. Okay? Our part. Yeah, it's finished. All right. Now maybe you can add maybe fillet here to make it stronger. Okay. Okay. Actually, this is not really necessary. However, for this one, I'm sure that it's a good practice. Okay, for you to make this kind of practice, because we know that this one is supposed to be a clamp. Okay, to make the snap fit assembly. Okay, so it's supposed to have this fillet because of we want to ensure that this part is stronger. Okay, it's strong. It will be stronger if it got this fillet. Okay, yeah, this is some sort like the uh, additional things that you need to consider in your design. Okay, all right. So yeah, that's it.